My weekend starts right now.
Hi friends, welcome if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. So our family weekend evening routine starts with me picking up our girls from my parents' house who watch them after school. And I usually get there at around 5 o'clock, and I just love on them and give them kisses and stuff and ask them about their day. Usually they want to just show me their toys or talk about toys, but I try to get out of them like what they did for the day at school and what they worked on at school. And so I'll stay over there for quite a bit, just talking to my parents and talking to the girls about their day. I love seeing their little projects and what they work on. I mean, it just fills my heart. I love it because I know they love their school so much, and I love their school so much. They do go to a Montessori school, so they do bring home quite a few projects and stuff like that. So when we come home, the girls usually play around a little bit in the family room, and I immediately go upstairs and take my work clothes off. I usually put on my favorite t-shirt. It has holes in it and everything, but it's my absolute favorite. So I usually just put something comfortable on, and I come downstairs and I pick out a Netflix movie, and the girls go upstairs and put their pajamas on. And so yeah, we'll pick out a movie before Daddy comes home, because usually Daddy will pick up, my husband will pick up dinner for us. Usually it's just pizza on Friday nights. And so yeah, this weekend, this particular Friday, the girls chose the Smurfs to watch on Netflix. And so by this time, it's around 6 o'clock, and usually the girls and I will get in a few cuddles right before Daddy comes. My girls love to cuddle. They love to rub my arm. They're like arm rubbers. They've been like that since they were babies. And so I just get in my cuddle time with them, and then Daddy will come, and typically we have pizza. And another option we have if we're not going to watch a movie that night is we'll have family game night, where we'll play like Connect Four or Chutes and Ladders, any kind of game that the girls like to play. So my husband and I usually eat the pizza at our kitchen table, and we kind of just catch up on our day to see how it was, while the girls eat it at their table so that they can watch the movie. So then after we eat, we just cuddle. We are like a cuddling family. We love to cuddle with each other. The girls love to cuddle with each other. It's so cute. I just love it so much. They're so adorable. And so yeah, the night ends up with us just all four of us cuddling together watching the movie, and then the girls get really sleepy, typically at around 8:30, 9 o'clock. We let them stay up a little bit later than normal, but usually they're really sleepy by no later than 9 o'clock, and then it's time for bed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.